So hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing video of a box that I got from Shop LC. They sell mostly jewelry, but they have other stuff too. So let's see what's inside. So first up we have this. And it's a cute chain. So let me guys show you the chain outside of this packaging. Really nice and simple, cute.
Yeah.
Oh, right, it's right. Next we have this other box. I'm gonna see what's inside. There's two things in here. So first we're gonna see what's in this cute gray box. Oh, we got some hoop earrings. You could take it out so see a little bit better. Really nice. Gold with him. Next we have this jojoba oil for like body or the hair. Really cute.
El teléfono va y viene así. Enfoque eso.
Really.
Da.
And the last thing we had in the bag was this big purse. Really nice, made of fox leather. And it's really spacious inside.
Way ASMR.
You see you have many compartments. In the side, a big zipper in the middle. And that was it. That's everything that was sent to me. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you.